Oh, nice, we're recording, hell yeah. Alright, so, how's it going, YouTube? I have very bad planning. I didn't have a video for today, so I'm literally recording it on the day I normally upload it. I'm gonna edit it, upload it, make it public, and do all the normal shit that I do over the course of a couple days in probably 12 hours. Which is gonna suck ass because I am not that good at planning. So, like I said, I already said I'm not good at planning once. I'm also even shittier at time management, so I'm gonna wait until the last second. Hopefully y'all still like it. That was fucking interesting. Good thing I was not the lead person on that, right? But that is why you watch where you are going. Especially at a green light. Because some people are just fucking stupid. But unfortunately, this means that because I had such bad time management, I'm in a time crunch. So I have to drop this bike off right now, very, very soon, to Babbitt's to get a tire changed on it, which is currently following me, or I'm following it. I'm not going to tell you which one because there's a plate that's going to be visible at some point in the fucking video. And it's not going to be for me, it's going to be for a family member that was willing to pick me up and deliver my tire for me. So, I've got it painted already, which is cool. I like painting the lettering on the tires, so that kind of throws it off a little bit. It's not a true white wall, but it's got some white on it, because I like the way the white wall looks. But guys, I can't find any of them when I want to find them. Especially one that has grip, because like Metzler's, you gotta break those fuckers in. Unfortunately, you gotta break them in. I'd love to just get on it and rip, but for me to quote unquote get on it and rip, it would require 1,000 miles, I believe it is, of braking before I can just rip it, you know. But I guess they come in white walls, which is cool. Or I could just get a Michelin Scorcher 32 that has ridiculous tread. I'll post a picture of it up here on the screen too. It's like, why not just get that, right? I mean, it's the same price, pretty much. The Scorcher was $267 after tax and shipping. And I want to say Metzlers are in the 300s, like low 3s, something like that. They're expensive as shit. I don't understand why. Although last year, Babbitt's did, not last year, sorry, 2019, they mounted my tire on backwards, which is still a tire I have on it now, which is why I'm kind of changing it out early in the season. I still have some tread left in the middle of it, but it's getting pretty bad. I have extremely bad chicken strips, if you catch my drift there. So, like, over 10,000 miles will do that to a tire, right? Especially when you're not aggressive when you're alone. Like, I'll ride aggressively when I'm alone, but I do it a lot more when I have friends. This cross strap, this bullshit, I can feel the bike moving weirdly, like the bars are wanting to fight me, so I'm really glad we're getting off the highway. Because fuck that highway bullshit with this crosswind. Now the good thing about chicken strips though is I have traction for days in corners. So I've also got a fresh front tire on this bad boy. But good luck in a straightaway or when it's wet or when there's like gravel on the road, because you're just gonna spin. Trust me from experience, I spin a lot with this tire right now. Which is pretty unfortunate because I like to have to get up and go. So, you know, what's the point of a stage 4 if you don't have any kind of traction to put it to use, right? So I guess a really quick question, because I'm honestly curious. How did you guys find my YouTube channel? Like, was it through a shout out? Because I know I got a couple of those early on last year that kind of petered out, you know, as people lost the drive to shout people out, which I'm always on to shout people out. Give me a reason to. Just give me a reason to. That is all I need. There's a good reason. Do you guys like being in town or do you like being in rural areas? Because like, I like visiting town a lot. So there's a lot of videos of me in town versus like, I live in a rural area and I love cruising town because it's something different every time, you know, like, unless you're a regular in the same spot, you're never going to see the same person twice. Unless they're a regular in the same spot, I should say, because you could be the regular and they could be some visitor, you know what I mean? Getting stuck in traffic kind of sucks a little bit depending, but most of the time I'm fine with it. I don't really care. I mean, it's not like I don't know what I'm doing. Damn, that truck got the Detroit lean going on. Damn, son. Maybe get your ball joint fixed before you, like, go hard there, killer. So, like, with this new Michelin tire, though, I wonder if I can do wheelies. Like, I'm not going to push it, but I might accidentally do a couple at first. Maybe not big ones, but, like, I have to shit yourself and, like, oh, fuck! I did not expect this. What is this? You know, that kind of stuff. I think that was a tumbleweave. No, I don't mean tumbleweed, I mean tumbleweave. I think that was somebody's weave just flapping in the fucking breeze in the wind back there. I mean, it wouldn't be the first time I've seen one of those. And every time, they're always interesting, because it's like, what? Who loses that shit? It's like a wig. Who loses that? I'll never understand how you can just lose something off your head. Like, I know hats, that's one thing. That's not attached to your fucking skin. Sorry, hair. I'm gonna say hair, not skin. Technically hair is dead skin, so I'm kind of right, but, you know. Only one of those sketchy loophole ways I'm right, but fuck it, I'm right. Fuck you. Oh, another bike. Hello, my friend. I didn't get one back. Fuck. Oh, well. Not gonna cry over it. I might be the only Harley guy that waves to sport bike guys and Honda and cafe guys and chopper. Choppers are fucking badass. I'm gonna get a chopper one of these days. I'm gonna build a chopper. Actually, fuck getting one. I'm gonna build one. I'll have more money into it, but it's over a period of time, so it doesn't feel like a lot more. And then I'll never sell it because I built it myself. And then I'll have 2 motorcycles. Ooh. Except if I build one, I'm not gonna get it professionally painted, but I'll probably just hit it with a spray can and call it a fucking day. Maybe try my hand at pinstriping it, but I'm not gonna overdo it and try too much on my first attempt on a bike. I mean, I've tried it on fenders and I can do a spider web pretty shittily, but it's a spider web. You can tell it's a spider web. So maybe, just maybe, I can do something interesting. I mean, at that point it's more of this is my triumph of I did this myself, instead of it looks like a show bike, you know. Like, it'd be more, hey, I'm proud of this, I did this, I built this, I love it, it's mine, you know. Especially with the JMP Cycles outlet opening in Michigan. Holy shit, I'm gonna spend money there. I might as well buy shares in JMP Cycles at this point, because I plan on spending money. Holy shit, the ghost trucks. Mainly that white one with the offsets. Like, see right there, I spun. I was gonna try and give her a little goose, you know what I mean? And I just fucking spun. Not a lot, but I spun. It's like, come on. That's why I'm getting this fucking tire change. Because if I'm going to the Mackinac City rally, okay, I'm gonna redo that one. If I'm going to the Mackinac City rally, I want to be able to have traction so I can get on the highway, get in the traffic, and just ride, not to worry about the belts occasionally popping through, you know what I mean? Like, Mackinac City for me is like a 4.5 hour ride, one way. I don't feel like having that kind of pressure that I have a bald tire. I gotta get there, and I'm gonna ride while I'm up there, and then I gotta get home, you know? I don't want to deal with that pressure. Well, Muskegon Heights is fucking cool. I forgot that the Heights is like right here too. Heights is like second worst place to live in Michigan, right next to Flint. So I mean, you'll put 2 and 2 together here, right? Yeah, okay. I mean, Heights is over there. Over here is just, not even Plainfield's Grand Rapids. I don't know my area. I know where I'm at, but I don't know my area, if that makes sense. I go based on landmarks, not road names and all this other fancy shit and designations and areas. I can tell you how to get to Hot Rod from here, but I don't know the names of the roads. I know that's the big fucking 2-lane highway. Sorry, 4-lane highway. Unofficial 4-lane highway, I should say, actually. Alright, let me park this bad bitch up. We're here. That was fun. Alright, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, and hopefully they don't fuck my tire up this time. That would suck. Ugh.